Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of B flat minor. We'll cover 2 octaves and 4 octaves, and the first thing we're going to do is review the notes of a B flat minor scale. They are Do, B flat, Re, Si, Me, D flat, Fa, E flat, So, F, Lay is G flat and T, A, and Do, B flat. So we're going to have this large augmented second in this harmonic minor scale between Lay and T, G flat and A. So the fingering for this, right hand is going to start, I'm going to start on 4 just so you get used to having 4 on that B flat. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand's going to start on 2, cross with 3, cross with 4. So left hand has a little bit different fingering than the major. So when we're playing these formula pattern scales, we want to keep track of a couple of things. The first is whether the hands are playing parallel, same notes at the same time, up or down, or contrary, which means one hand is going up, one hand is going down. This can be tricky with these harmonic minor scales, so many black keys and that gap in there. So one hand going up. If you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see the structure of a formula pattern scale organized into segments. So our first segment, the parallel segment, is going to be up 1 octave. Then we have shaped like a diamond. Hands are going to go out and in. Then again, parallel, up, down, diamond, out, in, and down. Each segment for the 2 octave version is 1 octave. So we're going to lock all of that in, all of the directional changes and the fingering, by using a technique of short and long rhythms. It's going to feel like this. We'll get 2 down here on Do, 4 on Do. Here we go. Going up, parallel. Now, right hand's going to keep going up. Left hand change direction, down. Now contrary, switch direction, both hands. Now left hand's going up, right hand's going down. Right hand changes directions, left hand comes up. Parallel, same notes at the same time. Parallel, down. Now left hand keeps going down, right hand switches directions, contrary, out. And in, contrary. Right hand continues down, left hand switches direction, parallel. Now we'll do that same scale without the dotted rhythm. First segment, up, parallel. Out. And in. Up, left hand keeps coming. Parallel, down. Out. And in. Down. Now, if you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see the only thing that changes when we change from 2 to 4 octaves is the length of the segment. So in the 2 octave, we had 1 up, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down, just 1 octave segments. Now we're going to start lower in the piano, and each segment will be 2 octaves. So 2 octaves up, 2 octaves out, in, up, down, out, in, and back down. Here we go, up, parallel, 2 octaves. Out. In. Up. Down. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of B flat harmonic minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.